Turn your fan into a homemade air conditioner in just a few minutes without spending much money. Take a styrofoam cooler and trace both ends of the lid. Then, using a hot object, melt the holes you traced. It should look something like this. Now grab two large plastic bottles and with the help of a pair of scissors, cut near the neck of each bottle just as I'm showing you on screen. Next, using the hot object, make two holes that will serve as handles. Make one on each perpendicular side of both bottle cones. Now remove the bottle caps and get two washing machine drain hoses. These are the same hoses we used for tracing at the beginning. Insert the bottleneck into the wider end of the hose. Then use electrical tape to secure it firmly so it doesn't move. Use a generous amount. Repeat the same process with the second cone. Once everything is ready, pass the other end of each hose through the two holes you previously made in the cooler lid. Then place the lid with the hoses back onto the cooler. Now get a fan and some zip ties. You'll use these to secure the plastic cones to the fan's grill. Use two zip ties for each cone, leaving a small gap between them so it's easy to tighten and secure them in place. Using a pair of scissors, trim off the excess. Turn the fan around and repeat the same process on the other side. The only difference is that this time you'll attach it to the opposite side of the fan grill. Now remove the cooler lid, grab a good amount of ice, and place it inside the cooler. Put the lid back on, and it's ready to use. When you turn on the fan, air is drawn through the hoses, and because the cooler is sealed, the cooled air exits through the other hose and is circulated by the fan. After a few minutes of operation, you may notice temperatures between 18 and 23 degrees Celsius, depending on how much ice you put inside the cooler. Save this so you can come back to it later.